Hello friends, this is again Amit, and in this video I will tell you about the exercises for tongue and for lips. Before telling you about the exercises, let me tell you about how you can identify you are having a tongue or lips problem. Suppose that your tongue is vibrating inside. Okay, you feel that your tongue is not in control, then it is called a tongue problem. Now in lips, suppose your lips is striking and not opening anything, okay, that is called a lips problem. Now if you are having a tongue or you are having a lips, you have to do these exercises, okay. So first I will start from the tongue. The first exercise for tongue is, you have to take your tongue out, down, left, up, right. Okay. Let me show you in which speed you will do. Okay, because I was doing it at a much faster pace. This should be the right speed. Okay, this is the first exercise for your tongue. You have to do it 100 times, 2 times a day, in morning and in evening. The second exercise for tongue is, you have to take a coin, put your coin over your tongue. See, my tongue is also vibrating. See. It's falling. Okay. See what you have to do. Actually, this is a bigger coin. Okay. You can have a lighter 1 rupee coin and then it will work perfectly. It's a little bit heavier also, it's a 2 rupee coin. So have a 1 rupee coin and just keep it over your tongue. Just take your tongue out, in. You will be in your control, your tongue will be in your control. Just because it is heavier, okay, I am unable to control it. So this is the second exercise that you will do for your tongue. Now the third exercise that you will do for tongue is, just press your tongue so that you can reduce your stress. Okay, just press your tongue and it will reduce your stress. These are the 3 exercises for your tongue. First was tongue down, left, up, right. Do it 100 times. Second, the coin one, out, in. Do it 50 times. And third, the pressing. Do it for 2 minutes. Okay. Now I am coming to the lips. Now you are having a problem in your lips. Then there are also few exercises that you have to do. The first exercise for lips is pressing of lips. Okay, this is the first exercise you will do for your lips. Second exercise for lips is, okay, let me give you one more exercise for your tongue. See, after the 3 exercises for your tongue, the 4th exercise is, keep your concentration at the tip of your tongue, here. Feel that you are thinking about the tip of the tongue and just reduce, okay, and you do like this. Stretch it out. out, down, out, down. Feel that your concentration is at the tip of the tongue. Okay, this is the fourth tongue exercise. Now coming back to the lips. Now in lips, I told you about the first pressing exercise. Second is bring your lips at a very close distance. Exhale air, but there should no sticking of the lips. See, like here. Keep on exhaling and feel that now the lips is not sticking. You should feel that the air is passing out from your lips. This will give you a control over your lips, that where the what is the position of your lips. See, like this. Keep your bring your concentration towards your lips. Do it for 2 minutes. This is a very effective exercise. Okay, this might look that this is so simple, but just do it for 2 minutes and bring your concentration to your two lips. You will see that this will work. The third exercise for lips is take a pen, place it between your lips. Perfect. The lips will not touch because the pen is in between. So I gave you 4 exercises for your tongue and 3 exercises for your lips. You just have to do it and you will feel that there is reduction around your tongue and around your lips. See, these exercises are not techniques. These are just exercises so that stress is reduced, so that you can apply the technique perfectly. Technique I will give you at the later stage for tongue and lips, and just do it and you will find a very big relief. Okay, so see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.